Handling dangerous goods, here's how Amazon simplifies hazmat logistics. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So here's the news. Dangerous goods can now be shipped in the US with Amazon Buy Shipping. You can now use Amazon Buy Shipping to ship dangerous goods in the US with Amazon Shipping Ground and USPS Ground Advantage. This is awesome because Amazon usually provides a great discount on shipping fees, and if you use Amazon Buy Shipping, it's harder for the sellers or the buyers to dispute your shipments. There's a lot of benefits, and it usually is cheaper. If you have a preferred ship method besides these options, work directly with the carrier to ensure your shipment meets dangerous good requirements. How does it work? When you select the "This shipment contains dangerous goods" checkbox, we'll refresh shipment methods eligibility to show you a list of supported carriers. Now this is pretty awesome. We can even look at the ship dangerous goods with Amazon Buy Shipping, more information there. But what is a hazmat item? Like, what items are related to this? So if you were selling fireworks or something like that, which does make a significant amount of money, it's a seasonal product, right? 4th of July, New Year's, people are buying fireworks. If there's any types of holidays, this is where that selling fireworks are going to make a significant amount of money because you can't actually send fireworks into Amazon FBA. So there's not any FBA sellers, but you can ship it yourself directly to the customer, which is what these people are doing. And you can see they have over 700 sold in the past month. And right now there is no holiday going on, but they're still making a significant amount of sales. This could be a great product for seasonal items. And I don't see a lot of fireworks on here, which is very surprising because you could ship some bigger fireworks on here and I think you can make a lot of money, which I'm going to be looking into. But you can see there are sparklers, candle sparklers, and they are, again, making it, even if they have bad reviews, 32 bucks. Okay, well, for 80 pieces, they're making a significant amount of money and a significant amount of sales. So that could be a great option with shipping directly with Amazon. So if something goes wrong, Amazon is at fault because you're using Amazon label and Amazon shipping method. Now, if we do click on this right here for more information, it's going to tell you Amazon's policies more in depth on how it works. So if you have a listing, someone buys it, pretty much when you're buying the shipping label from Amazon directly, you're just going to click this little checkbox that should be there. This shipment contains dangerous goods, and then bada bing, bada boom, Amazon's going to filter it all out, and then you can ship it directly to the customer. Very awesome. You have your own special policy on this, and it looks pretty darn good. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, smash that like button. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, shipping, logistics, increasing your sales, Amazon ads, counterfeit removal, whatever it is, we can help. We're Amazon experts. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.